Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's section, we are going to see how to install e107 CMS on Ubuntu 22.04 version. e107 is an open source and a free website content management system. The e107 CMS is a powerful and free open source CMS, highly customizable and easy to use website content management application for Bootstrap. Content creation without needing technical knowledge. At first time, check the OS version. I am using Ubuntu 22.04 version. Now I am going to install required packages. I'm going to install Apache, MySQL and PHP with its dependency modules, and also wget, unzip, curl, everything I'm going to install. Installation has been completed. Now I am going to check the status of the Apache and MySQL. Status is active and running. Now I am going to increase memory limit and the execution time, file size and post max size. For that I am open php.ini file. Now I am going to increase memory size. Next, maximum execution time. Next, upload max file size. Next, post max size. Now save the file and exit. Once the file was changed, I'm going to restart Apache service. Restarted. Now I'm going to log into the MySQL console. Now I'm going to create a database. Database has been created. Now I'm going to create a user. User has been created. Now I'm going to grant all privileges to the user for the database. Now I'm going to flush the privileges. Now I'm going to exit from the MySQL console. Now I'm going to download the e107 CMS package by using wget command. Package has been downloaded. Now I am going to make new directory in Apache document root directory. Now I am going to extract the downloaded packages. File has been extracted. Now I am going to change the ownership of the folder. Now I am going to change the permission. Now I am going to allow 80 port. Now I am going to create a virtual host file for e107 CMS. I already have a virtual host file. Now I am going to paste the file. Now save the file and exit. Now I am going to enable site for e107.conf. Now I am going to enable rewrite module. Now I am going to check the syntax of the configuration file. The virtual host close file is missing. Now save the file and exit. Now again I am check the syntax. Syntax is okay. Now I am going to restart Apache service. Apache service has been restarted. Now I am going to the browser and search with my IP. This is the installation page of e107 CMS. Enter your database credential here. Now I am going to create a admin user. Enter username. Now enter password. Now enter your email address. Enter your website name here. Installation has been completed. Now go to the admin area. Enter admin credential. This is the dashboard of e107 CMS.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.